It's Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are in the Lazy Deer Landing. If you're having any issues with the Wi-Fi, you might need to reset the actual Wi-Fi unit. And this is currently located in the kitchen. So all you need to do is unplug right here. Unplug it and let it set for 3 minutes. Plug it back in. That typically takes care of most issues. Just in case, when you're looking for the username, if you don't see Lazy Deer Landing and the password as you see right down there, 123 Stibnite, then you might need to look for what's going to be on here, and it's going to be the Frontier underscore 7422, and then you see the passphrase right there is the A58EH92, and then you see the rest of the details that are there. So if you do not see the Lazy Deer Landing username, then you can go ahead and try and find the Frontier underscore 7422, and that should be it. If you've got any further questions regarding the Wi-Fi and internet, you can call us in the landline in the office. The phone number there is the 208-634-0030. Cheers.